Good morning, everyone. So today our topic is soil. We are going to study about soil, which is our next chapter after housing and clothing. I hope you all have understood about chapter 3. So today we will start soil. What do you mean by soil, beta? Today in this video we will understand about what is soil. We will understand about what is the importance of soil, and we will also study about the formation of soil. Means soil कैसे बनती है. All these questions we will try to find out in this video. Okay. So what is soil, beta? Soil is the top layer of the earth in which plants grow. You see around on the earth crust. This is the first layer. This is the upper layer of the earth crust on which we stand, we play, we do many activities, which you can say as land also. So in that we see some tiny particles of stone, that is called as soil. So in short you can say this is the top layer of the earth in which plants grow. Apart from it, what is the importance of soil? There are many importance of soil. Many animals are living in soil, like ants, snake, earthworm, and leech. There are many animals who live in soil. So you can say soil of these animals. This is the home of so many animals also. Soil is a home of so many animals also. After that, the second importance of soil is that soil basically used for growing plants. If the soil is not there, plants would not be able to grow. So we can see the roots of the plants. The roots of the plants are fixed into the soil. Soil can hold the roots tightly so that plants can stand easily. And the roots of the plants they are also absorbing water and mineral from the soil. If the soil would not be there, so plants would not be able to get water and mineral from the soil. Then plants need soil to grow. Yes, it is very important. Plants need soil to grow because with the help of soil, they are able to get water and mineral from it. Okay. Next, plants also need air, water, and sunlight. Apart from soil, plants also need air, water, and sunlight. You know very well, this process is called as photosynthesis, in which plants make their food on their own. With the help of air, water, and sunlight, they are making their food, and that process is called as photosynthesis. So you can say plants need air, water, and sunlight to make their food, and soil is having a main role in that also, because plants are fixed into the soil. Their roots are fixed into the soil, and roots absorb water and mineral from the soil. Okay. So I hope you have understood. Let's revise these points again. Soil is the top layer of the earth in which plants grow. Here I am just making you understand by a diagram how we can say this is a top layer, because I am making a diagram of soil profile. You see in that how many layers of soil are present. This first layer, this top layer, first layer is called as topsoil. This layer, the second layer, in which small pieces of rocks are present, this layer of soil is called as subsoil. And inside it, the third layer, which is consisting very large pieces of rock. So this is called as a bedrock. So this is a diagram of soil profile beta. By this diagram you can also understand what is topsoil. Topsoil is the first layer, the top layer, the upper layer of the earth crust in which plants grow. Plants basically grow here. Then underside it, the second layer of the soil is called as subsoil, which is consisting tiny pieces of rocks. And then third layer of soil is called as bedrock, which is consisting large pieces of rocks. So this diagram is of soil profile. So we have understood what is soil. Soil is the top layer of the earth crust. This is the top layer, the top soil, the top layer of the earth in which plants grow. All the plants are growing here. Roots of the plants are fixed into the soil to get water and mineral. See, these roots are fixed into the soil to absorb water and mineral which is present here. Okay. Then plants need soil to grow. Plants need soil to grow. Plants also need air, water and sunlight to be lived. जीने के लिए, सर्वाइव करने के लिए उनको किस किस चीज़ की ज़रूरत होती है? एयर, वाटर एंड सनलाइट. सो आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट फॉर्मेशन ऑफ सॉइल. अब इस सॉइल का फॉर्मेशन कैसे होता है, कैसे ये सॉइल बनती है. सो दिस इज अ कॉन्टिन्यूस प्रोसेस बेटा, इट्स अ कॉन्टिन्यूस प्रोसेस. And how soil is formed? Soil is basically formed by the breaking down of rocks, the big rocks which you say as mountains. Have you seen the mountains around? Yes, there are many mountains around. When these mountains, we see many mountains around, what happens actually? Due to extreme heat of the sun, when this heat of the sun basically comes on to the mountain, जब ये heat of the sun mountains के ऊपर पड़ती है, so they start to weather with them. They starts to change into small pieces of rocks. This is called as breaking down of rocks. So due to heat of the sun, the strong winds and heavy rains, due to these weather changes around, all these mountains starts to break down into smaller pieces of rocks. Okay, and this is a continuous process. After breaking down of rocks, they again change into tiny pieces of rocks. उससे भी छोटे छोटे उसके पीस होना स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं. And again, if they come onto the road, in the river or somewhere else, there also they starts to change, breaking down of it. So when this is a continuous process in which it changes into a very small particle of rock, till then it just becomes into smaller pieces of rocks. Okay, इतने छोटे छोटे ये होते जाते हैं. उसके बाद क्या होता है? And when these tiny particles of rocks just mix with dead plants and animals, so they starts to change into a soil, that we can say that a formation of soil has been done. जब ये smaller pieces of rocks mix हो जाते हैं dead plants और animals के साथ, तो ये किसकी formation कर देते हैं बेटा? soil की formation कर देते हैं. So you can say by this process the soil can be formed. So how is a soil formed? Soil is formed by the breaking down of big rocks. Okay, they break down. How the rocks would break? The rocks break due to heat of the sun, the strong wind, heavy rain and cold weather. Tiny particles of soil mix with the dead plants and animals. जब उसके tiny particles, rocks के tiny particles mix हो जाते हैं dead plants और animals के साथ, तो वो किसकी formation कर देते हैं? soil की formation कर देते हैं. It takes thousands of years for rocks to become soil. एक रॉक से सॉइल के फॉर्मेशन होने में 1000 ऑफ ईयर्स लग जाते हैं बेटा, बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लग जाता है इन दिस प्रोसेस. इट इज़ अ कॉन्टिन्यूस प्रोसेस. कॉन्टिन्यूस प्रोसेस मीन्स जो लगातार चलती रहती है. दिस इज़ नॉट अ वन डे प्रोसेस इन विच ओनली द माउंटेन वुड ब्रेक एंड नेक्स्ट डे द सॉइल वुड बी रेडी. नो, कॉन्टिन्यूस प्रोसेस मीन्स एवरी डे it just becomes in smaller pieces of rocks, you can say. Okay, I hope you have understood. Now we will study about the types of soil. How many types of soil are there? So beta, we see different types of soil are found at different places. If you will see the roadside, if you will see the seashore, if you will see in the garden, you will see the different kind of soil. It would be differ in color and it would be differ in touch. So different soil are found at different places. The color of soil can be black, it can be yellow, it can be red. So soil is also found in many colors. Okay, on that basis we will try to just see the types of soil. How many types of soil? Types of soil in your book are basically given of three types: clayey soil, loamy soil, and sandy soil. Now, what is clay soil, what is loamy soil, and what is sandy soil? Clay soil, it contains clay particles. Clay particles जिसको आप चिकनी मिट्टी बोलते हैं. So clay soil basically contains clay particles, and sandy soil contains sand particles. Firstly, we will see the clay soil and sandy soil. Then after we would see loamy soil, because loamy soil is made up of clay and sand. So firstly we would see the clay soil. Okay, clay soil contains clay particles and sandy soil contains sand particles. Then after, clay soil is smooth to touch. It is very soft and smooth to touch. वो बहुत soft होती है, आपने देखा होगा. The potter makes pot with the help of clay. So whenever we will use the clay, so we can change, we can use a mold and we can give a shape to it. Okay, any shape to it. So one more thing, clay soil can hold water also. For this quality, we are able to make the toys and pots with the help of it. Okay, and sandy soil, it is very rough to touch. अगर आप उसको टच करोगे तो वो बहुत ही रफ फील होती है. Secondly, it cannot hold water. So if it would not hold water, so we are not able to make any toy or pot by it. Okay, and where it is found? It is found in desert. ये desert में मिलता है. So what do you mean by clay soil and sandy soil? Clay soil contains clay particles. Sandy soil contains sand particles. It is soft and smooth to touch. It is rough to touch. It can hold water, a lot water it can hold. Sandy soil cannot hold water. Clay soil can use to make toys and pots, and sandy soil found in desert. Then after we would see the loamy soil. What is loamy soil? Loamy soil is a mixture of clayey soil and sandy soil. इन दोनों का जो मिक्सचर होती है वो लोमी सॉइल होती है. एंड लोमी सॉइल बेटा, it is very fertile to grow crops. It is a very good soil to grow crops. So we can say this can come in question also, which soil is best for growing crops. In that you can write answer, loamy soil is best for growing crops. And why it is good for growing crops and plants? As it contains air and water. इसके अंदर एयर एंड वाटर कंटेन करने की कैपेसिटी बहुत ज़्यादा होती है, इसलिए ये बहुत अच्छी होती है प्लांट्स के ग्रो करने के लिए और क्रॉप्स के ग्रो करने के लिए. सो टाइप्स ऑफ सॉइल, हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ सॉइल आर देयर? क्लेई सॉइल, लोमी सॉइल एंड सैंडी सॉइल. Clay soil contains clay particles, sandy soil contains sand particles. Clay soil is soft and smooth to touch. It can hold a lot water and it is used to make pots and toys. Sandy soil, it contains sand particles. It is rough to touch and it cannot hold water and it is found in desert. Loamy soil contains clay and sand particles both. It is very good soil to grow crops as it contains air and water.